Hello students. Students, now we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise number 3.4. Students, I think question number 2, first part and second part you can do by yourself. So we will start third part of question number 2, and after this we will do fourth and fifth part also. Okay. So in the third part, the question is the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. 2-digit number. Students, say one thing. Suppose I am writing 35. 35 is a number. Here 5 is units place and 3 is tens place. 3 is tens place. Okay. Now, if we expand this number, so what we write? Since 3 is in the tens place, so we will write 10 into 3 plus units digit. Isn't it? ऐसा ही होता है. If we expand this number, we will write 10 into 3 plus 5. Similarly, if we change the order of the digits, that means if we write it as 53. So 53. How 53 comes? If we expand 53, we will write as 10 into 5 plus 3. Got it? That means the digit in the tens place will be multiplied by 10 and added with units digit will give the original number. Clear? Now, if I am writing yx, suppose yx is a number of 2-digit number, and if we expand this yx, so how we write it? We will write as 10 into y plus x. This implies 10y plus x. Clear? Similarly, if I am writing xy, how we write it? How we write it? Yes, you are correct. We will write it as 10x plus y. So students, I think you all are understand how we write 2-digit number in expanded form. Clear? Students, here we have the question, and in the question it is saying that in the first condition, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. That means we have to take the digits at units place and the digits at tens place we have to take. So solution, let the digit at units place be x and the digit at tens place be y. Then our original number will be, then the original number will be what it? If units place is x and tens place is y, then the original number will be 10y plus x. Clear? And if we change the order of the digits, that means units digit becomes tens digit and tens digit becomes units digit, then what happened? We will write after interchanging the order of the digits, the new number will be 10x plus y. Clear? Students, whenever you got this type of question, you have to write up to here in every question. Clear? Now, what is our statement? The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So here we have the digits x and y. That means according to first condition, according to first condition, x plus y is equal to 9. It is our equation number 1. Clear? It is our equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 9. Now, students, we have two numbers, 10y plus x and 10x plus y. This is our original number and this is our new number after interchanging the order of the digits. Clear? Now, in the second sentence of the question, also 9 times this number is. 9 times this number is. That means this 9 times of this number is. That means is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. That means this number will become, when we multiplied our original number by 9, we will get the new number and its twice. Clear? Now, just simplify this. 90y plus 9x is equal to 20x plus 2y. Clear? Now, 9x minus 20x plus 90y minus 2y is equal to 0. Clear? 9x minus 20x, that is minus 11x plus 90 minus 2, that is 88y is equal to 0. Or we can write both the numbers are divisible by 11, so we will divide both the numbers by 11, or we can say minus 11, or x minus 8y is equal to 0 is the second equation. Clear? I am repeating once again. The number, when it multiplied by 9, it gives twice of the new number. Clear? And after solving this, we get this our second equation, that is x minus 8y is equal to 0. Now, we will solve these two equations by elimination method. Okay. So, solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. What we do? We have to write 1 and 2 equation again. So, x plus y is equal to 9, it is equation number 1, and x minus 8y is equal to 0, it is equation number 2. See students, here both the coefficient of x in both the equations are same and signs are also same. So, we will subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. When we subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, we will change all the signs, okay, and 0 have no sign. X cancel, then y plus 8y, now its new sign is plus. So, plus 8y plus y, that is 9y is equal to 9. So, y is equal to 1. Clear? Y is equal to 1. Now, we put this y is equal to 1 in any of the equation. So, how we write? Putting y is equal to 1 in equation 1. So, x plus 1 is equal to 9. This implies x is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. So, x is equal to 8. See students, now we have units digit, that is x is 8, and tens digit, that is y is 1. Clear? So, our answer will be, we have to find the number, two digit number. So, what we write? So, the required 2-digit number is equal to 2-digit number, it is 10y plus x. So 10y plus x is equal to 10 into 1 plus 8, that is 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. 18 is the answer. Clear? So pause the video to be noted down.